Hi there, Melanie from WTI.
If you're looking for the perfect chair for gaming, or if you need an awesome one that's comfortable for your back and long hours at your desk while you're working, this chair from Best Office is the perfect chair. I love how it's adjustable, so whether you're short, tall, or in between, you're going to be good. The wide seat gives you lots of room to be comfortable on those long days. So one of the things that really impressed me was the stitching, the breathable material, this PU leather, the lumbar support here for your back for those long days of work, and the removable little headrest here. Love the cushion on the adjustable arms to make it your own. And with these rolling swivel wheels, you're going to be able to move this anywhere and everywhere with great ease. So whether you need a chair to help you focus through the day or just to help you relax while you're gaming, this chair's for you and every other member of the family. You're going to really love it.
And that's my point of view.